Okay, so if you watch my video on how to make this granny square, then now I will show you how you will connect each granny square. This is how I do it, but there are so many types of seaming the seaming in crochet. So there are so many types, but this is the one I'd like to show you because this is my favorite, because you can see it's really not obvious that you connected the granny square. You know, the connection is not really obvious. So I'll show you this one. I use a different color, but if you will use same color, definitely it will not show the the connection very obvious. So now let's start with hiding the tails so that I can show you how to clean up your work. For now, let's hide this. um, yeah, I know it's very basic, but I just wanted to show you how we can hide this. So in here, using this needle, it's up to you on how you hide your tails. And because if you learn a lot about crochet, you will experiment more and more until you choose what style or how you do things in crochet. Okay, let's cut this. So now I will show you. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I connect my granny square. This is just one idea on how you will connect your granny square. There's so many ideas on how you can do that, but for me, this is my favorite way of doing it. And I use a different color just for the sake of this video, so it's easy for you to see what's going on. Okay, but definitely whatever yarn, whatever size of yarn you use for all your grannies, you have to use that, so it's you have same size for everything. But for now, we will start from here. Just make sure that you flatten your granny square upside down, so the right side is at the bottom, and then you start with the first stitch here. I will start here. Just it's very easy. Just connect. It's just like a simple or basic sewing when we're doing sewing. So like that for the first chain, and then the second chain is here and here. Okay, just making sure it's flat so it's easy for you to see it. I hope you can see it. Yeah, and then you go to your first chain here, and then to the left. Okay, can you see that? Let's pull the yarn. Okay, this way is very clean, back and front. So next is this. Where is your next? On the right side is here. See that? Okay, next chain, and just continue like that. You just have to make sure that they are in the right position, so it's very easy for you to see which chain you're going to do, which stitch. Okay, so another. Okay, can you see that? Just continue. So I will show you here.